Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the DNB login not working. First, make sure that you're entering the correct login details. Double check your username and password to avoid typing mistakes. Then, check your internet connection because a weak or unstable network can prevent login. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the DNB app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then, try logging in again. After that, you can also reset your phone to clear temporary glitches. If you've forgotten your password, use the reset password option on the login screen to create a new one. Then also make sure the app is updated. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for DNB, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. That's how you fix the DNB app not working. Subscribe.